Okay. Here we're about to do the install to show that this roof is not repairable, but we have to replace this due to the pliability of the shingles. The roof is over 15, 20 years of age, so the shingles are not pliable. So I'm going to put this in. That. I'm only going to lift the shingle at a small angle, just a little. You can already look at that. Just off this little bit, you can see that the shingle is creased. You see one more? I'm gonna put one over here anyway. You see that it creased up as soon as we put it on. There's nothing we can do. There's no way that we'll be able to repair this roof. We can only replace it without further damaging the shingles that already pre-exist. So this roof has to be replaced and it can't be repaired. You see it for yourself. You got that? Let me see, let me get the chalk and mark this up right quick, just so it's visible on here. That's it right there.